Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an amazing chest lift workout, all right? With or without dumbbells, your choice. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. Alrighty, if you have dumbbells, go ahead, pick those up. 30 seconds on the clock, all right? We are standing strong. Our dumbbells start right here on the side, and we're gonna come across, all right? Palm facing forward, and it comes across, and then you're gonna go ahead and switch.
Sorry everyone, had some mic issues. But some things to remember with your posture are to keep a slight bend in your knees, avoid locking them, push your shoulders away from your ears, straight spine, tuck in your tummy and your butt, helping you close that rib cage, and most importantly, breathe. All right? 3, 2, 1.
Very good. Go ahead, put one of those down straight back as you put it down. Very good. And we have a spend press next. All right. So go ahead. You can hold it like this or like this. You're gonna start close to your chest and you're gonna go right in front, straight out, and then back. Squeeze, 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 and back. All right. Just figure out which position is best for you. I believe this position uses your core muscles a little bit more, but if this is a better grip, then go ahead and do that one. Very good. I meant your chest muscles. It's like core muscles, but hey, both. Alrighty, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. All right, elbows come in towards each other. They don't stay out like this. All right, you want them to come in. All right, very good. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Now go ahead and take it down to the floor. That's right. All right, we're coming down to the floor to really, really, really work our chest muscles.
Alrighty, 30 seconds on the clock, we have a lying chest press. So lying back, your legs either straight or bent, up to you, arms straight up with your palms facing out towards your lower body. Then you're going to bend at the elbow, coming down to a 90-degree angle, but not resting on the floor and not putting all your weight down. Just a little tap before pressing up again.
Breathing, pressing your lower back to the mat as well, right? Your entire back's on the mat, so pressing that lower back. All right, rotating your pelvis in. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. All right, for a second. And next we have a lying chest fly. All right, so dumbbells go up. Our palms are facing towards each other this time. And with a straight arm, we come out to the side. All right, and then back in together. All right, very good. Use your core muscles. Breathing in. Squeezing your chest. Very good. Awesome job. Now if this is easy for you, you might even think about going a little heavier on the weights.
That's only if it feels easy. If you feel challenged by the weights you have now, then stay with those until you feel comfortable leveling up. Always listen to your body. All right, 3, 2, 1.
And there we have it, set 1. Not so bad, right? But you're feeling it, feeling good. We're gonna take a second and then we're gonna do it again.
Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2. You know what to do, so I zip it. We go straight through the routine. If you're using weights, go ahead and pick those up with a nice straight back, all right? Now don't forget to breathe and let's crush this workout together.
And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead, put one of those down. All right, spin press. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Coming down to the floor.
Lying back, arms up, pressing your lower back to the floor, and let's get it.
And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Straight arms, palm is facing forward, ending strong with our chest fly. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze that chest. And there we have it. 2 sets done and dusted. Great job. Take a second, grab that water, and we're gonna crush set number 3. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead, put one of those down. All right, spin press. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Coming down to the floor.
Lying back, arms up, pressing your lower back to the floor, and let's get it.
And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Straight arms, palm is facing forward, ending strong with our chest fly. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze that chest.
All right, and there we have it. 3 sets of your chest pump, chest lift workout.
All right, let me know what you thought in the comments below, what your favorite exercise was, what you would like to see more of. We read all your comments, we will deliver. And if you haven't already, click subscribe, click the bell, keep up with us, like, comment, show some love, and I'll see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.